Have you ever wondered where to put your coins when you arrive home? Or find it annoying to search coins all over places when you need it? Here's something that might help you. Revov Coin Storage. We try to make it simple, interesting, and most of all, convenient. It provides a relief by collect coins from your pocket and help you save some time when you need it. The way to open it is simple, fun, and effortless. Without any friction, it feels like the upper part is floating. You can feel a bouncy satisfaction every time you open it. The material is natural beech wood. It not only has a warm hand feeling, but also extremely durable. Every piece is made by CNC technique and then polished by hand. We spend a lot of time and effort to create the smoothest experience and even a little bit addictive. It's a most playable organizer and will bring convenience into your life. Revov Coin Storage. Hope you like it.
We are the team of Koala Gear, and we've done quite a lot over the past 3 years. Together with our Kickstarter community, we've been able to bring beautiful things to life. Joey had your back. Jin gave you easy access to all your essentials, and Leo brought you a unique, minimalist design. We've learned from everything, from our successes and from our mistakes. We've listened to the feedback from our 20,000 customers and designed the product that you asked for. We think it's our best product yet. Meet Jay. Jay combines the 3 things you loved most about our previous products. First, unparalleled support. Jay gives your body a break with the same unique suspension system we designed for Joey. It's been tried and tested by over 5,000 users over the past 3 years. You won't find a more sophisticated or comfortable suspension system in any other everyday backpack. Second, intuitive accessibility. Whether Jay is on your back, at your feet, or hanging off your shoulder, everything is always within reach. And third, an inspired design. Jay isn't just comfortable and accessible, it's a designer piece. Jay is made out of the highest quality materials that are resistant to both water and abrasion. We use patented magnetic hardware from award-winning manufacturers, and then we added some of our own. All our production is done at facilities that hold the highest certifications on the market, and all our products come with a warranty straight out of Kickstarter. We have 3 warehouses around the globe, shipping our products daily to almost every corner of the earth. Customer support and quality assurance are essential to our company, and we're committed to constantly improving both. J is the most comfortable, accessible, and beautiful bag we have ever made. And we can't wait to see it on your back.
Half a century ago, humanity was awed by our capability to go beyond our limits. In 1969, the whole world witnessed a milestone in our history. The culmination of a collaborative effort.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Driven by that same spirit, we have created the definitive precision tool, the Magnet Driver Space Rocket. Restore, adjust, play, repair. Celebrating the 50th anniversary of one of our greater conquests, we want you to go a step further and be inspired by the human spirit. Magnet Driver Space Rocket, the most precise screwdriver kit.